What's going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Doing a little creek fishing today out of the Grumman 129 solo canoe. I've got two rods, two ultralight rods, a 5 foot and a 5.5 foot. And we're just going to be targeting panfish, maybe some smallies, whatever will bite in this creek. Got a few hours. It's probably about noon right now, 11:30 noon. Got a few hours to fish. It's a warm day. It's a windy day. I didn't feel like dealing with big water and the wind, and I only had a few hours. So we're just gonna go out here, have some fun, see what happens. Stay tuned. There we go, got one. Oh yeah, some little dudes. But just a ton of fun, man. Little pumpkin seed. Beautiful little pumpkin seed. First fish of the day. I'll take it. Beautiful. Let you go, brother. Got a variety of soft plastics I could throw today. I've got the cream frisky frog on this rod right here. Got the Nico leech on the other rod. I've got some Ned rig. I've got some crappie tubes. And I've got trout magnets, so we'll switch it up maybe. They are destroying. There we go, got them. Another pumpkin. Another pumpkin. I'm not really expecting to get anything more out of this creek this time of year. Beautiful fish. Or that's a bluegill, I think. Some kind of hybrid, I don't know. I'm not really expecting to get much more out of this this creek today besides panfish, but you never know. This creek is connected to Big Pond, which is connected to Lake Ontario, so you never know what might be lurking in these waters. I hit some of the deeper pools. There could be maybe some holdover smallies, maybe a catfish, who knows. I'm going to put this little trout magnet on. I'm going to use the gold because it's sunny out today. I'm going to start off with a red little trout magnet. Okay, we got the red trout magnet on. Throw this. I don't have the trout magnet float on there. I might put one on in a sec just to dangle it over their faces. Let it sit there in front of them. But we'll try it without the float first. Float gives you a little bit more weight too for there we go, a little bit more weight for casting distance. First cast though with the trout magnet. Another tiny bluegill. Calm down, brother, calm down. There we go, beautiful. There he goes, like it never even happened. Okay, try to pull one more out of here and then we're gonna travel further up creek. So I wanted to explore a little bit. Oh yeah, second cast, second bluegill, crushing that. Oh, pumpkin seed, just crushing that trout magnet, crushing it as soon as it hits the water. All right, let's make our way upriver, up creek. Up the creek without a paddle. Make our way up the creek and maybe we can't find a deeper hole for some bigger fish. Got a nice little deep pool right here. This looks too juicy not to fish. I gotta stop and fish it. Got some tree trunk in the water right here. A nice deep pool with some shade up ahead. Oh, there we go. Hit it. Came right out and hit it. Oh, another hit. Oh yeah, they're crushing it. They got it. Not any big ones, but that's okay, man. It's a ton of fun. Ton of fun. I'm gonna drop it right in front of his face. Got him. Beautiful pumpkin seed. There we go. Oh, they're all right size. Oh, squirmy sons of guns. Oh, there we go. Decent sized one in this deeper pool. Not bad one at all, really. There we go. That's a respectable bluegill. That's a respectable bluegill. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. Seen him float right up and take it. That's cool. Come here, buddy. There we go. Right in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, we got something decent. Yeah, maybe not, but... Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a big one of the day for sure, man. Look at that. Like the other one. That's a respectable bluegill, man. He's a good, probably 7-inch bluegill, maybe. Nice. I gotta throw around that boulder, man. Gotta throw around the boulder. The size of that boulder, man. It's huge. There we go. Oh, that's a bass right there. I just saw a bass. Let's try to get him. Let's try to get him. Let's try to get that bass. Other one, little guy. Holy cow, that's the small guy of the day right there. Look at the size of him, man. It's puny. Puny. About 3-incher, 4-incher. Right there. Oh, something hit. Something hit right off the bat. Oh man, they're hitting. Oh, look at them. Look at them. A school of them down there. Come here, dude. Just a smorgasbord of panfish, man. Mostly dinks. But that's okay. That's okay. Well, I'm going to switch up this this Nico leech, and we'll put on the Hellgrammite. I saw some little bass in here, and I really want to get one. I'm hoping this Hellgrammite's going to do the trick for me. Come on, baby, right by this boulder. There's gotta be a bass in there. Just gotta be. Well, nope. Got a rock bass on the Hellgrammite. Little rocky. I knew you were gonna do that. Oh, come on, dude. I'm trying to show you off to the camera. You're not cooperating. There it goes. Get back in the water. Gotta throw in there real quick. Come on. Oh, ooh. Oh, we got something. Oh, we got a bass. We got a bass. Nice. Oh, I lost him. Son of a gun. Trying to avoid this right here. It wasn't a huge bass, man, but it was decent. It was a largie. I'm gonna beach it for a sec because I gotta take a pee. Alright, so we beached it. I had to take a little break, take a little pee break, stretch your legs. We've probably come up about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles. I have no idea. I haven't looked at a map or anything. Haven't really been tracking it, but I've gotten into a ton of bluegill, missed a largemouth. I'd really like to get a bass out of here, either a smallie or largemouth, or both would be really awesome. So we're going to go up another 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles, and see what we can get. So stay with me. Okay, let's get back out on the water. You got some skinny water in here, man. Some skinny water. I was paddling upstream here. I was trying to find a deep hole. Starting to deepen out right here, and I saw a couple bass. Let's throw the Hellgrammite. See if we can't get ourselves one of them. Now this isn't the most stable canoe to stand in, but it is stable enough. You can stand in it. It's a little wobbly, but it's doable. You got decent balance. There we go. Got a fish. It's been a little bit because I've been trying to cast for largemouth. Switched it back to the trout magnet, and we got ourselves a bluegill. There he is. Pretty little bluegill. There we go. We got a. Hoping to get a largemouth or a smallie out of there. Nice little rock. Oh, we got another little sunfish. It's okay. That's what we're here for. That's what we thought we were going to get, but again, a little bonus bass wouldn't be unwelcome. This is where I wanted to come to. I wanted to get to this little island split here. I'm not going to be able to go up this way, so I'm going to have to go up that way. I just want to go just beyond it. It looks like there might be a nice pool up there. It's hard to see from here, but we're going to check it out. So, okay, definitely a cool spot. This island, I went around it. I walked around. I cast it a few times. There was a nice deep pool on the other side of this. Didn't get any fish, but this is definitely going to be a good spot come next year for late spring smallmouth bass when they're still in here, just finishing up the spawn before they've made their journey back to Lake Ontario. So it's definitely something I'm going to try next year. But anyhow, it's getting late in the day, late in the afternoon. It's probably about 2:30, 3 o'clock. I've got things to do this evening, so we're going to head back downstream, maybe hit a spot or two that I hit on the way up, try to get a fish or two, and then we're going to call it. So let's get back in the canoe. We've got a couple places where we're going to have to get out and walk, and then once we get into bigger water, we'll start fishing again. Let's try to navigate this little section without dumping the boat. It's those abrupt stops that get you. Hitting rocks and oh yeah. Yep. See that right there? Don't want to hit that. That'll stop me quick and dump me. There we go. Made it through. So what I might do maybe next, or maybe this year, late in the fall or mid-fall, or maybe next spring, I might try to fish this creek out of this canoe, maybe one of my kayaks. Try to get in one of these holes that's hard to get to from the parking areas. Have a little stretch to myself. Try for some salmon, some steelhead maybe. We'll see. Get through this little spot without hitting any rocks. I gotta hit this spot real quick just to get a sunny or something, get a tug on the line. Come on, hit it. There we go. Ooh, perch. I got a perch. Who'd have thunk? Got ourselves a perch. Look at that. Nice. Let you go, buddy. Get back in there, Mr. Perch. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, don't hit that. Don't hit that. Bounce off of it. There you go, just like that. Sweet. Okay, we got a bunch of bluegill staged right along that piece of wood there. So I put the trout magnet back on, the red one. I think the cream frog was just too big of a profile for them. They were hitting it, they just couldn't get their mouths around the body and the hook. So switching it back to the old trout magnet. These are little guys, so got to use little lures. There we go. Had to switch it up to the trout magnet. I think the cream frisky frog was just too big of a profile. Maybe a little bit too big of a hook. Nice little pumpkin seed. Back in there. I see a bass right there, man. Bass don't seem like they have any interest in anything. They're interested in it when they see one of the bluegill hit it. Yep, 3 right in a row, man. There, he made it back to the water. Okay, I'm gonna try the Hellgrammite for a little bit, see if I can't get up on these bass, man. They just don't seem like they're interested in anything today. There we go. Finally. Got largemouth. Is this a smallie? This might be a smallie. Yeah, this is a smallie. Been seeing largies in here though. I might net this guy just to be on the safe side. I really want to land him. I don't want to take any chances. There we go. First smallie of the day. Finally. Not a big one, but still fun, man. I've been catching nothing but dinks today. Just a fun dinky day on the creek. Beautiful. It's about 3:30. I really got to expedite my way back down the creek here, so we're going to speed it up, hit maybe 1 or 2 more spots for a bass. Alright, 1 more fish and then I'm going to call it. I got to really beeline it back. There we go. This is one of the dinkiest ones of the day. Yeah, not the dinkiest, but he's dinky. We gotta get 1 more. Come on, man. I can't end on that. A little bit better, it feels like. Oh yeah, a little bit better. Here, come on, I got me a little bit more slack. Slack attack. Always got to say that's my custom phrase, slack attack. There we go. Gonna end it on this pumpkin seed. Had a great day out here. Caught a bunch of fish. Mostly panfish. Did get 1 perch and 1 smallmouth. So just a fun day. I didn't expect more. I was expecting to just catch panfish. Got a couple extra bonus fish. Mostly on the trout magnet. It was just the perfect size for the small fish that I was fishing for, or that are in here. So as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.